Preparing the power cord. The man starts with a standard white insulated power cord using a pair of wire strippers cutters. He carefully removes the outer white insulation and then to reveal two internal wires. So he then strips the end of these internal wires to expose the copper conductors. Next, after that is the connecting the pump to the controller. Next, he focuses on the water pump and control circuit board. So first is the insulation. So he uses black electrical tape to wrap the wire joints of the pump, ensuring there are no exposed parts that could cause a short circuit. Next is the wiring. So he connects the red and black wires from the pump to the corresponding terminals on the control board. So this board serves as the brain that tells the pump when to turn on and off based on signals from the Raspberry Pi. Next is the finalizing the main power lead. So the man returns to the white power cord. He uses the pliers to twist the exposed copper strands together tightly, so making them easier to insert into terminal blocks or solder. So he then performs a final check of the wire length and ensures the tips are clean for a solid electrical connection, as you can see in this video also. Next is the initial wire preparation. So the man starts with a standard dual core white insulated power cable. Using a specialized wire stripping tool, he carefully removes the outer jacket and then the inner insulation to expose the copper strands for the positive and negative leads. Next is the connecting the components. So he integrates several pre-wired electronic modules. So you can see him manually twisting together the exposed copper ends of different wires, so identifiable by the red and black colors, to establish electrical continuity. Next is the insulating connection. So using black electrical tape, he wraps each individual wire splice. So this is a critical safety step to prevent electrical shorts and protect the joints from environmental factors like moisture, which is especially important in projects involving water pumps. After that, he gathers the completed harness, ensures that connections are secured, and prepares to mount the assembly or house it within a protective casing. So the project is neatly organized using a small cardboard base for stability also. Preparation of electrical components. So the man starts by stripping the insulation from wires to expose the copper leads. He is connecting this to a small 12 voltage DC water pump. Next is the circuit connection. Next, he connects the pump's power leads to a control circuit board, likely featuring a relay or an Arduino Raspberry Pi setup. So he uses black electrical tape to carefully insulate each connection, so preventing short circuit. So next is the installing the external interface. He takes a small blue colored panel with the number 5 and the name Alan printed on it. So this appears to be the front interface of this project. So he positions it over a pre-cut rectangular hole in a wooden enclosure and secures it with screws. After that, they try it. They insert 5 pesos coins Next is he takes a small blue colored panel with the number 5 and the number Alan printed on it. So this appears to be the front interface of this project. He positions it over a pre-cut rectangular hole in a wooden enclosure and secures it with the screws. Next is the finalizing internal wiring. So the man continues to connect the main power supply and easy DC adapter to the rest of the internal circle tree. So he makes sure all ground and power wires are properly twisted and insulated.